Goodbye, Papa. I'm going to school. See you later.
Goodbye, son. Be careful on your way.
Okay, Papa, bye-bye.
The kitten was very poor and was going to school for the first time, but everyone teased him because he was poor.
Hey guys, look! A poor kid has come here to study. This is a school for rich kids. Poor children don't belong here.
Because I'm poor, nobody wants to be friends with me.
Look everyone, he's eating free food. Ha 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 ha. Look everyone, there's a poor child in our school with torn clothes and he's here to study.
Many hours later.
All right, children, hurry up and get ready. You have a test today. Quickly, everyone, start writing your answers on the test sheet now.
Hello, madam. I finished writing my test paper. Here you go, madam. Please check my test paper.
Oh my God, you finished your test so quickly. Let me check it. Oh my God, you're very smart at your studies. Everyone, please give a big round of applause for the new student.
Thank you so much, madam. I always work very hard.
But the black cat didn't like this at all, so she decided to take revenge. The kitten was very happy and headed to the toilet, unaware that the black cat had set another trap there. The black cat had emptied a whole bottle of chemicals into the toilet. The kitten was quietly using the toilet when, out of nowhere, a monster appeared. Terrified, the kitten screamed and ran away in panic.
Oh my God, what's happening to me? I've made a terrible mistake.
Hello, Papa. Please help me. I'm stuck in the school toilet with a monster. Please come quickly and save me.
Oh my God, this monster is huge. It's so scary. Kitten, where are you? I'm here to help you.
Papa, I'm so grateful you came to save me.
The kitten was caught in the middle of the monster's path, but his strong and courageous dad didn't hesitate and went into the school to save him.
You have committed a serious crime, and now you are under arrest.
We put a lot of effort into making these videos. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Wishing you all the best.
Kitten, come quickly. Your breakfast is ready.
Papa, I'm coming after I brush my teeth. Papa, I'm heading to school now. I'll see you when I get back.
The kitten said goodbye to Dad Cat and headed off to school.
Bye-bye and take care.
Let's go to school.
Stop the bus, please.
Oh no.
I need to bring my medical equipment for school. Can you help? This madam will carry the medical equipment.
Bye-bye, Kitten. Goodbye.
Bye-bye, madam.
The bus driver, overcome with sleepiness, didn't notice the stone in the road. Oh no! Caused the bus to lose control and crash into a tree. A strange liquid started leaking inside the bus, creating panic among the passengers.
Papa, help me, please.
What's wrong, my child? Tell me everything that happened.
The bus had an accident.
Oh no, what are you saying? I'm coming right away.
Unbelievable! The bus has transformed into a terrifying monster and is now chasing the kitten.
Someone please save me.
There's a giant monster. We need assistance immediately.
Thank you so much, Papa. You saved me.
No problem, Kitten. I'll always be there for you.
One day later,
Your mistake put all the children's lives at risk.
Please let me go. I promise I'll never make such a mistake again.
You've committed a serious crime, and you're under arrest.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, my dear friend. We'll see each other again very soon with an exciting new story. Until then, take care and bye-bye.